Hey guys, we're out in a very windy permaculture orchard, which happens to also be Alan's backyard of all things. Imagine that. Free food in your backyard. And in keeping with schedule, we're putting in some more raised beds because I promised every year we would put in more raised beds. At least one, but this year I think we're going to do 3 more. And this one we're putting in is because we have a pile of extra wood down at the cottage down the road here. So we just have piles of wood that were left there. So we're reusing and repurposing this wood for planters. And what we have here is a half buried bed and high winds. And you can see we're putting our normal pocket gopher mesh in. And then Alan's going to staple that in. But this is going to be, and then we're going to use doing all the raised beds. Here, I'll come over and show you some of that. So the final step is to put this fabric on. Now this is going to be a unique planting bed because we're going to do potatoes only in this one. And we're only going to be planting in hay or straw, as close to straw as we can get. So we're not going to be using soil in here. We're simply just going to be starting off after we get the erosion fabric in by putting down some hay. And then we'll layer the hay with the potatoes, and we're going to see how this method works. I'm sure a lot of you have seen it on the tubes. Have you seen an all hay planting method on YouTube, Alan?
Not yet.
Okay. I suggest you go Google that.
Yes, I will.
And so that's the plan here. It's very similar to the Ruth Stout method, where we're going to start with a hay bed that's really deep, let that compact. We'll put some potatoes on and then more hay on top of that. And then we'll water it, and then Graham will fetch it. So that's what we're doing in the greenhouse, in the orchard today. Installing one of many raised beds. Thanks, Alan.
Yeah.
And so we'll be filming the building of more of these raised beds. We're going to put another one here, maybe a little keyhole bed. See here some of the nice timbers we got. And that's the kind of stuff that's just laying around. So hopefully you can find some wood laying around and repurpose it for the better. And we got some garlics coming up. Take a look. Subscribe to the channel, share this with like-minded people, and get growing.